magpapabrief, refill tayo. So, we have no choice. Come on guys, last one. Last one item sold na lang guys, come on. Last one item sold na lang guys. We will going to end na po guys exactly 10:02. Okay, bigyan ko 2 minutes ha. 10:02 guys. Okay? 10:02 guys. We will go 10 na po. Kaya guys, last 2 items sold na lang po. Okay, mukhang nibiling to ah. Come on guys, last 2 items sold. Last 1 na lang pala. Okay, last 1 na lang guys. Come on. Okay, last 1 item sold na lang po guys. Before we going to reveal na po yung ating suot na reaction bill. Come on guys, last 1 na lang po. Last 1 na lang guys. Ito yan, ito na siya. Tapos na talaga refresh mo. Wala pa rin po guys. Ayan na. Okay. Once again guys, for 10 seconds. 10 seconds guys, and 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Okay guys, we will go into end na po yung ating live. I would like to take this opportunity guys to thank those who check out po, especially guys sa mga nag-stay po until the end of our live. Once again guys, this is a Bench Official po. It's been your host. My name is CJ guys. See you tomorrow. Good night guys. Bye-bye.
But if you still have any question, comment down below lang here sa ating comment section. And there you have it guys, we already reached our 500 comment ng Baby Jaden. At dahil dyan, lalabas na tayo guys ng naka-brief lang. Then guys, don't forget to follow our official account as well. Yan to our 3,500 viewers. Ito na po, lalabas na po tayo dito guys. In 3, 2, and 1. So I promised earlier, magsusot po tayo ng brief. And this is the brief guys that I'm wearing right now. And ito guys is, medyo maliit yata yung size na nakuha ko, sorry. So ito po yung ating sample. This is made of cotton elastic material. Makapal yung garter, stretchable. 3 pieces per pack na ata ito guys. Ito po yung kanyang fitting. Guys, yung fitting niyan sa butt area. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much again for checking out. Mag-end na po ako ng live. And I would like to take a few seconds guys to thank all of you for those who check out, who powered up the screen and who shared the live stream. And for those viewers naman who would like to be updated din sa live update guys ni Jaden, you can follow me here. Follow nyo na rin po ako dito. And ganyan din guys yung username ko sa ibang social media accounts. _JDN Fernandez. So again guys, thank you so much. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. This has been your host, Jaden Fernandez. See you again guys on our next live. Bye-bye.